they laugh when they see you.
How much is it?
For this our juice.
How much is it transfer?
30 billion for
Your body. Your body not me when I see you.
your body and your body.
Banana go fall for your head.
Like I was saying, Sigmund Freud has described.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Don't use the name of the Lord. Sigmund Freud has
Don't
described.
use Sigmund's name in event.
The id is identification stage. You have the ego and you have the superego. Now,
They're mad.
in each of these, he also talked about the dream interpretation, where you have, you know, this thing what they call the mind. Do you know why all of us don't do what they do?
Now because of money they crazy.
Now lie.
What did this say? What did this say? Livingstone and this shit they do this and us.
Sigmund Freud said, Sigmund Freud in his postulations,
Yes.
and in his theories, and have been proven.
In way they do things.
He said, the fear that is the conscious
We'll give you a
mind.
commissioner because
Now lie.
you're a technocrat.
No, no, technocrats don't
Square peg with square holes.
Annie,
Yes.
Sigmund Freud say that is the conscious and the unconscious being. That the unconscious being is what is even driving us. And that is true. Why is the unconscious being driving us? The fear of failure, the fear of unacceptability in the society, and the ethics and rules of the society. That fear, for instance now, the fear of saying they will abuse Kunle will make Kunle not stand in the main road and peace.
Definitely.
Not be because
Not for this Port
no, they come.
Yeah, tell the
Lego
nigga.
pencil.
For express.
How many corners where could they
For,
go?
are you saying for East West Road, the middle?
Unless peace is never happened. You know the reason why you don't feel peace because if it never made the motor kill you.
That's that fear. Now you're coming to my point.
Let me say fear of people.
The fear of the motor killing you is what drives it not to.
I don't peace for go slow.
That is something.
But hold on.
No, but nobody. I don't fear peace for go slow.
Because wait,
Why say I go to sort of patrol?
that will not be peace.
That's what?
That's not peace.
That's
Now
what?
wait.
That is the code.
Now for us,
The
if
peace I'm talking
you
about.
see go slow that day,
The peace I'm talking about
Is what kind of peace?
is you did go slow. You open your door.
with the peace,
Come down.
steady.
Climb on top your motor.
Come
Why?
peace.
Why go?
On the peace for which a madman go do am.
Now madman, you
Sorry.
Madman go do it.
Do you know why madman is doing it?
Yes, because he doesn't know.
It's because
You know
the
get fear.
madman no get that fear. The madman no.
Yes, you know they fear
See,
anything.
try and listen. If you
Who
listen,
tells a madman that they fear?
madman don't they
You
fear.
dey craze
Madman they run for motor.
for towns.
No,
That
that
way,
will be real madman.
everybody.
Madness just
It's a
take by
partial
itself.
madman.
It's a partial
Let me
madman.
tell you something. We did for my one day. We dey walk at the next year. If it's in race,
Who and who they run?
all of us, including
Very
one madman,
good.
what we see. If you don't say the madman,
They run because now they run.
na lie.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Nine first run.
It doesn't matter.
None of us come together. Then go dey. Then they ask us, what do make on the road?
Oh, she said I'm pursuing follow run.
Now he follow now.
They follow her run. So madman no get that. That is why those is where Team Marie first come out. You drive one way.
Then go check your bill.
They arrest you. Then they talk to you first. As they arrest you, they carry you straight to psychiatric hospital. Because you wear dress well with suit and tie. You dey go your office, zonal PRO of Nimasa. You go to your office. You go drive one way because you don't late for meeting. Team Arif catch you. That first person, they need to talk to you because they came as professionals. They will carry you, park your motor first for their yard, then give you paper to go psychiatric hospital.
Hospital card.
Hospital card, they get their own. Now when you go to the hospital,
Go admit yourself.
my very good friend, one Biniga, I don't call him name here. He don't want him so good if you talk that story. For radio, I will beat you anywhere I see you. I don't tell person beat me. Do you know that this guy go to the hospital, psychiatric hospital for Rumimbo, near Kunle house? He sit down for bench. He no say the bench just sit down for bench. The other people, two of them, now fellow patient. Him normal, he wear tie, suit, him dress well. That's what we call clean madness. Now, that's what Sigmund Freud calls clean madness. Now this guy, consider
Sigmund Freud no bobo guy yo.
I know.
I
Oranta family.
say there's constant light for the town.
No can us play. Now,
Yeah.
Opobo is a great country. No can us play. Now, Annie, When the doctors they pass, they see. I mean, sit down there for the first day for 4 hours. You know, see doctor. You go ask the nurse. I've been here since. What did you see, doctor?
You know, so for psychiatric hospitals, the more you argue with the nurse, the more the nurse they think say you're madness.
The more that they think your word,
Your madness they increase.
The nurse will answer him. He said, excuse me, I'm talking to you. The nurse said, I'm listening. Now, do you think I'm deaf? He said, no, I don't think like that.
What I know, the nurse don't say.
How they think that way?
This one a fresh madness. This one a fresh
No, I
madness.
can say, excuse me, I've been here 4 hours. The nurse said, okay, go come tomorrow.
The tell madman to go come.
He will in the rest way. He no be patient.
The nurse no look at like say just start.
He gon go.
Yeah.
The tomorrow he gon take question for office. In they go to get in kind they come. He gon go.
No tell us say they go mad people hospital.
Oh yeah, you made that second.
They go to tell the office say they go mad hospital. The office go be you fear you.
I'm going for treatment.
Now there you go, contamination.
The office go be they fear you. So he gon go the second day. Sit down for 3 hours 30 minutes. He no say don't they reach in 4 hours. He go meet the nurse again. Excuse me. I have been sitting on this bench. You know, say what is the matter? Wait now, you will see doctor. Meanwhile, the doctor they pass him up and down, and they pass the observer. Because madness, we wear suit, wear tie. You know, be like the madness that study for school as a doctor. Because medical doctor study madman go down tear cloth naked enter market. But this one, we corporate wear tie. The doctor supposed to observe him like 4 days. So he go show say what I'm going to fit attend to him.
Complete madness.
But you know what the guy say, he come beg the woman say, madam. The woman say, go, come say, madam, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Say, I take on him, baby. Don't treat me like this.
Now there they begin suspect. Now there they begin suspect say true.
When they thought
This guy never drink in medicine.
when they thought this story, you should not for ground they laugh for. He said, madam, excuse me, please, don't treat me. I'm beginning to realize that I can be coming here for the next 1 week. My God is a head black, don't they get sense now?
Your sense don't they come.
Say, please, help me. Help me.
Now there way
They can force
they
small
will
things.
suspect you.
They can force small thing for her. Because madam, take this and buy bonds and drink mineral. Please help me. You must say, hey.
Now you dey well.
Okay.
You don't dey well.
Don't worry. The doctor has been passing here up and down now. He said, it's only one young boy that has been passing here up and down. She said, nah, the doctor be that, but no tell us, let me tell you. So the doctor, for me, for you to treat madman, you must understand madness more. How can a doctor come out stethoscope, come out cloth, just they work out normal like patient, they pass, they look person. Not a small madness be that on the part of the doctor.
He himself, now my experience.
If you
want to catch a monkey,
this your friend case is very good.
He can't enter the.
It's very simple.
He can't
I will
enter
tell you
inside.
what happened.
He can't enter inside. The doctor come see and say, "Oh, you're welcome." Then he got to say, "But I've been seeing you passing me every since how many days I've been coming here now." The doctor come look at me. Doctor, I said to that one, doctor write something. The doctor now answer. He gonna say, "I'm talking to you, sir." Doctor write again. He can't realize the doctor they write things. He no come talk again. Come close. My doctor come say, "Hey, you're welcome." After don't try to familiarize with the doctor. When me say as him come, he go familiarize with them so that he go find out something doctor give a report, he go collect motor. The doctor no talk to her. Then when he don't come quiet, the doctor come say, "What's your name?" Him be one vex. Because the file where they carry come to the doctor. He name them for the file on top the file.
But wait, the people know the right traffic traffic craziness. I'm going to
They will just.
Okay, yeah, let's move on.
Now he say, "What is your name?" Him be one verse. Him call Hula. He can say, he can call him name. My name is Felix. Are you married? He can look in own hand. He wear wedding ring go. The doctor say, yes, I'm married. What is the name of your? Do you know the name of your wife? In one verse.
Sure.
So sure nonsense. I don't know the name of my wife. He can hold himself.
Don't be mad people hospital in there.
He can himself say, yes, I know the name of my wife. What is the name of your wife? They gonna call Felicia. Say, are you sure it's Felicia? He must say, I know my wife now, doctor. Doctor begin right again. Then come realize each time. When you overreact
And shout.
doctor dey write
On
something.
the check say the cerebral wire will link to the normal efficat, you know, for the hand in their head.
Medulla to the medulla.
There's
So,
two wires
he
that
got
link
quiet.
to the medulla.
He got quiet.
The efficat and cerebral wire.
That's the
I wonder if
positive
you wrap up.
and
I
the
get one
negative.
story where I want
So,
to
Oh yeah, that
I say- I say quiet.
That's fast.
The doctor come ask am, what, do you have children? I say yes. How many? 3. What are their names? He called the 3 children their names. Say, can you spell the names? In begin, in one verse, he realize the doctor go write something. Now I'm quiet. He can't spell their name one. He say true. By the time come out, then realize the true in the man. And he ended up asking himself, Felix, am I okay? Now Chifo said, brother, I don't want to call him real name. Not be Felix, my real name.
What be the real name?
I go call him real name. Yeah. Now Chifo said,
Felix,
brother.
Felix.
Not be Felix.
I know she was there, brother. Annie, what you story where you get?
Another story for everybody where they pursue that 70-year-old woman.
To do it, what happened?
Which kind of story be that?
That 70-year-old woman, when they say because she sleep with 30-year-old.
Boy.
They never see France.
It's also now boy she sleep with on a guy.
Wait. They pursue the 70-year-old
The
woman.
70-year-old
Excuse me. She be sugar
Wait, one
mommy.
all of us here to
She be sugar mommy.
the story.
She be sugar mommy.
Sugar
Sugar
mommy.
mommy.
They not
Excuse
supposed
me.
to
So that woman don't get landed property.
Jesus Christ. Yes, now.
You think that the woman they hustle
This
the
is the
boy?
problem with Africa. You know how many Nigerian boys
We ready?
wait there for whole land, will marry their mama senior sister.
This is a whole land. You can't marry your
They
mother.
put some
sister,
sister.
brother.
They talk sister or
It's the
grandmother.
same thing. Do you know how many Benin boys wait for Italy? We marry for
Their grandmother.
elderly people's home.
Old people.
You don't want to crack a boy.
In a dress. My papa. No, papa, how this up,
You
papa?
don't want to crack a boy right for
What again
for US. In the work for elderly home. He don't love one elderly woman no. For green card.
Nothing can
They
change.
go tell us sick.
And then from green polo. For Kreka. You know the green polo no Kreka. And I got that family.
If you come
They
back
find
for
green
me,
card.
I don't call him. Oh, you know.
they say the boy there for US.
Oh my.
And first walk on her for elderly women's home. Now you come there ask, come. That woman wait there for corner way speed, they come out for her house. She get house. Sir, that woman, she's a rich woman. She has mansions, no children. In fact, once she die,
Now pursue. Now pursue. She won't win the whole thing.
she do the boy come there hide the pussy because now they clean speed for the woman mouth.
They call they hate the pussy.
Because they hate the pussy. The dog go poison this pussy.
And when they make it never poison the pussy, they say,
Camera there everywhere.
camera there everywhere, and they go do autopsy.
Autopsy to know how the pussy take die. Because that place, they didn't carry just death play. If pussy die, they go do autopsy.
Do better.
To know whether the pussy they strangle her or
Oh, each of poison.
they jump poison. And if they jump poison, die, they go suspend the boy. Because then the boy they walk
I
for
get
there,
access to the
then
woman.
they go clean speed for the old woman mouth. You go, they go propose to the woman. Do you know I love you? Say, you man, baby. Old woman, mama senior sister. I say, you baby, you know I love you. The boy go say, well, you love me. She means they gonna come out for her mouth. I'm gonna clean her. Nine daily pay in the look for.
They calculate.
I know that's back and take go hear this story. So the boy, the friend, 82 years old woman. So this is for those states where they do.
No, they're
rubbish.
Nah,
Nonsense. Very
No,
stupid.
rubbish.
Very
In
stupid.
fact, we need to sue the Ebonyi
community.
state government for infringing
What's happened to
on
the state government and the community?
the community.
No,
Local government.
Suing.
Local
They cannot
government.
suing. Suing, they need to sue one person direct.
You know, so one person
They
direct.
will sue the state government, the community,
And the local
And the
government.
local
government chairman.
Chairman.
All they follow for the suit.
For the sue, now they go come and remove themselves one by
One by
one.
one.
I bet.
You understand?
And I also hear about the man where they jail sentenced to death for stealing 3,500 naira.
It's a normal thing now.
For where?
Not the money.
Which state?
Sentenced to death.
For Oyo State, Abi.
To death or to
death. For
What is-
stealing 3,500 naira.
Who's judge? Which judge?
That's the judge is
In
a
fact,
for
it's
shrine.
very wicked
I
judge.
think the one I heard was that na goat 10 years.
Now for sure, it's normal. Go 10 years for Bobo. Then you cross. There's a customary court there. And then a judge better case. Plantain, all these fish. Where are they go? For board, now they go on customary.
Now body will go court.
You see all these plantain laws.
That is, you carry goat across.
You cut across. My goat enter your compound.
No.
What if court say make you bring evidence? You can't carry the goat across.
Yes.
Enter boat.
Opobo will live communally. There is no fence, no gate.
I know. Which
That's why goats
village will get
no
their
compound.
Where did the carry on a case go? Is it not customary court?
When they do all those goat caves and all those things, like they want to secure their people, those secure people, and that's the human the people because then we look at them and bike them. Because now then they get company, they carry plant from something. We not get that kind of land. You know, Popo, the kind of cases we make are international cases and foreign cases. For instance, if not be your papa turn to be chief or king, your papa can't take her by force. Then you can't reach you because your papa don't die now. Now you can't reach your turn. They can't check whether your papa marry your mama well.
Okay.
Your papa now don't marry your mama completely. He marry half. He no pay finish. In fact, they born you first before they even go they marry. Okay. Then the people will come the first say your papa been first taken by force.
Can't they find way to bring them?
Want to take them back to their family. Now those kind of cases we carry.
Now you buy international community.
Now when we go court, the way we go our court for Popo, we never go with acrimony.
What is acrimony?
We go with harmony.
I
tell you a simple thing. When they made a drag chief for Ogolo's compound, they both, I think one done is late, the other one I think is still alive or something. One no get money, one get money. The one no get money, they day home. The case now for Bori. Bori go cross boat. You go enter boat, cross from Opobo to Kono first. Blessing we cannot their town. Then you will come enter motor.
Where they come from?
You will come enter motor from Kono to
Bori.
Now that Marvin Yobana to come from
Along the road.
Corner. Marvin has that along the road. Blessing has there inside the road. Now, this one will not get money. Go water side because this one will get money. Get private boat when they park. We go stay by the corner of the private boat. They wait because you know say court at 10 o'clock. This one they keep to time. We get money
for customary court
for Bori. Now, as they wait, this one will come. People say, you need a go court. And they wait for you now. I think you know say I no get money. If you no carry me, you go the court only you then go adjourn case no go get ahead. So if you I think you won't be chief. Carry me for your boat. That way get money go say you don't want to be chief. Come on, you want to be chief, idiot. Or enter boat, useless man.
So you go carry your opponent.
You go carry. As a cross reach corner. You go as I say from corner to Bori for more than 15 minutes. By trek you go reach 4 hours. By that 4 hours court don't close. So make enter your motor. Make this case get ahead. Make we finish this case in time. If you want to go be the chief in time. Idiot, enter front.
You go see driver.
You go carry as a rich court. Now my papa then and another group they go form 2 groups. My papa then get small money. So their group they cook rice. Their group
go for their supporters.
For their supporters.
Wait, they court.
Wait, and they cook rice for cooler. Now as they enter court, as they don't pack motor inside court come down, they don't turn enemy. This one will go follow a lawyer, the one will go follow my papa them and the lawyer. When case don't finish, my papa they will come to one corner. They serve rice.
They eat.
For play
Inside the court.
For court premises. For lunch.
For the supporters.
In case the judge say make them take break, they will go chop. That she's late now. Now they serve the rice. The one will not get money go stand one corner, they look there. He go come down and get money, say, excuse me, I want to see you. Because they come, we're there for court, and we don't talk to anybody here. No, I want to see you. If I die, he can't win case. That one now win. You know, give me food margin.